I am about to direct sow some corn and some okra right there in the bed. Pray for me that the slugs don't eat them all, because the last time I did that, that's what happened. This time around, what my plan is, after I direct sow the seeds, I'm going to cover it up with the compost. I'm going to put some mulch on it, and I'm going to put some eggshells and some diatomaceous earth on top, hoping that it is going to keep these slugs away from eating the first leaves, because every time the first leaves come, they chop it up right away, like right away. So pray for me that I am able to protect my little seedlings when they pop up from these nasty slugs and snails, because they eat it. Like, I don't even get to see it. They don't even allow it to grow. So come with me. Let's plant some okra and corn, because y'all know we are in June and it is still not late to direct sow the seeds of those things, and you still will get a harvest come fall. Okay? Come along, y'all.
One look and
Alrighty, y'all. I have a ton of eggshells that I've been collecting throughout the year. If you don't know, eggshells are very beneficial to the garden. There are so many benefits, and one of them is if you crush them up and you put them around your garden bed, it is going to slice up those nasty snails and slugs and get rid of them. If you're having slug issues, definitely get you some crushed eggshells like these, okay? Put them in the oven, bake them for about 5 minutes, crush them, and you can use them in your garden. I have a whole video showing you guys different ways you can use eggshells also as a fertilizer for your gardens. I've already sowed all of the seeds in here. I also put some peppers in the perimeter of the bed just because I wanted to do that. We'll see if it's gonna grow. They're super tiny, so I don't know if it's even going to get to a point where it starts to produce actual peppers. I'm just putting them there just to keep like a barrier away from the okra, especially from the corn, because the animals love the corn and they don't really bother the peppers like that. So I put some peppers around the perimeter just as a safety or like a gate or whatever the case may be. I'm going to put some worm castings over the garden, and then I'm going to sprinkle this, and then I'm going to mulch it and then water it. So that's my plan. I'll let you guys know how well it works, okay? To keep the slugs from eating the first leaves as the plant grows, because if they keep eating the leaves, the plant's not going to grow. So let's see if this works out. Come along, yeah. Alrighty, y'all, I am all done, and I am hoping that the birds do not come and find the seeds, and the slugs, I'm hoping that the slugs don't come and try to eat all of these things. That would be so terrible, so terrible, but we shall see. We shall see. But anyway, I am going to put some okras in these grow bags over here. As you can see, these are some okras that were started from seed, and I'm gonna put 3 in this bag. This is a 10-gallon grow bag. You can put about 3 or 4 okra seeds in each of them, or seedlings in each of them, and yes, it will absolutely produce a ton of okra. Like, it does really well in grow bags. So, and then this grow bag, I'm gonna put some seeds in it, and that's gonna be the okra planting for the season. y'all enjoy the video. Okay, because if you did, please go ahead and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Do not forget, okay, to watch the last video if you haven't done so. Share it, do all of the things. And remember, y'all, I am an affiliate of Vigo Gardening, so they did give me a discount code for my audience, so you could get whatever you like on their site at a really good price. Even if it's still on sale, you could use my discount code MYN10 to grab what you like. If you need anything extra for your gardening, their stuff is quality, and I love their products, okay? Especially their raised beds. They're my favorite. So anyway, grab whatever you like. Don't forget, I still have some seeds in my Etsy store. Go check it out. I still have some radish and a whole bunch of seeds that you could actually, like sunflowers and things like that, seeds that you could actually grow super fast even right now. So go ahead and check it out and get what you want. And if you are one of the people that is God's favorite, that live in those wonderful grow zones that you could grow all year round, go ahead and get whatever you like in the store, okay? All right, y'all, I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Remember, you're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Happy gardening. I am getting there. Now that I'm about to be done with this stuff, I still have a ton of peppers that I need to put in my other grow bags, and then I'll be officially done. I actually also have to plant something else. I think I'm gonna put a butternut squash on this trellis right here. So yeah, y'all, it's late into December and I'm still planting. It is what it is. I started late. Oh well, we still gonna have some type of harvest, and I'm still enjoying the process, and I hope you are too. All right. Alrighty, y'all. Love you guys. Remember, you're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Happy gardening. All right, y'all. I love you guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye, y'all.
And remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening.